All right, I'm taking a YouTube video of this. I'm gonna post it online. I'm gonna go hook a chopper to it. Ain't had a chopper hooked on it 3 years. This is the Ford 4000. I just put a brand new stainless steel Mark's Tractor muffler. Now, who Mark's Tractor used to be. I gotta get a clamp. I just got a hose clamp on there now. I get town, I'll put a regular clamp on it. Tires are what they are. Carb was rebuilt a year or two ago. Starter was replaced like 12 years ago. Water pump. Needs a choke cable. Choke cable broke. I just reached down here and hand choke it. Loaders work, hydraulics work. This tire has been patched. We had it or my dad had it patched about 12 years ago. We ain't had any problem with it. There is no fluid in them anymore. 3-point works, power takeoff works. I'm gonna go actually chop with it first time in like 3 years, like I said. Got this freed up. It was stuck when I had a few people come look at it. So I told them it'd come free. Tractor's mostly set. We got a 656 hydro. We use it more than this. It just sets. Like I've probably put maybe 2 hours, 3 hours on it in the last year or two. Power steering works when it wants to. I think it's a check valve or the spool valve in the pump. Sometimes you can hop in it. Sometimes you can take off working, and sometimes it'll just take off, start working, and some days it just is not going to work. It has fluid in it, and it is what it is. The fuel gauge appears to work. I've actually turned the key on it. It'll creep over there in a minute. Temp gauge does work. Yeah, it takes it a good minute. It's moving. It should have about a quarter tank. It's an old Ford 4000 tractor. I mean, it's not perfect. Tack's not there. Has the wrong transmission. It had a Selectomatic in it before we got it. And the previous owners changed this transmission. And that's what I'm pretty sure is wrong. It just has no road gear. Like 14 mile an hour is like wide open high range. It has, if you want a really, really low gear tractor, this is it. This ain't got creeper gear, beyond creeper gears. It just don't have road gear, which we never took it off the farm, so it wasn't a problem. You're just not going to drive it down the road very fast. I mean, 12, 14 mile an hour is about all it does. I mean, it's just it's a 1968 Ford 4000. I mean, it's definitely not perfect by any means. But I'll post a video of, I'm going to go chop with it here in a little bit. I'll show you power takeoff works, loader works, and all that here real shortly. And I was going to show, these do come out. They do work. It's going to be kind of hard to show when I have the chopper all hooked up. So I just going to take that real quick. I'll add it to the clip. I don't know how well you'll be able to hear me. I got this chopper on here. Chopper not made for it. A chopper, the hair small, is not the one I used to run on it, but I ain't taking one off 656. So that's how high it goes. Ground's so hard I can't really scoop up any dirt. I like that. I didn't even scoop anything. Not used to doing this while filming. Not really my thing. There we go. There we go. I didn't have the bucket right position. You got pretty good scoop of dirt. It will show. They started digging a hole. There you kind of got an idea of the loader working. Like if they're out there in different gear too, it'll take back off first. Or take off sooner. The jumper is set a little high. It's not big for this tractor. I know I run a 6-footer. This is a 5-footer. We're at top. We're at reverse. Kick right out. It's a kind of a pain in the butt to get it in. Kind of forgot how big a pain in the butt it was. Once you get it in, it's fine. Alright, I've been running for about an hour. It's good. I burnt probably 8 tanks of gas. Maybe a little less. I don't know how accurate my fuel gauge is. It does work. Change the power steering. So, stop. It's wanting to, but that's all I got. I'm supposed to come rolling. Now I can't steer, I'm not rolling. Loud clutch. I can sit here. And I'm steering as one-handed. Show transmission. Or low range. You know, I mean, it's slow. That's 5th slow. That's going. I got about 1/4 throttle. But all gears are there. Just, but I mean, you want grandma slow. That's first slow. So it's got a creeper gear from hell. Something else I was asking about was how the brakes are, so I'm just moving. Off the left one, he stopped. That one, he's locked up. I am in wet grass, but and I don't have anything on the ass. But it'll pull out the tractor. Well, that's kind of the gist of it. I don't know how much you guys will be able to hear me in the audio. I'm running it. So the brakes working, they are there. Power takeoff's kind of a pain to get in when you first get going. I kind of did forget about that. Said I haven't chopped with it in years. But once it's in, it stays in, it runs fine. You can change gears while you're going. That's just something I forgot about all the years. But hell, I would chop with it for about an hour today. Chopped, I shoved some brush with it, some piddly stuff. This is the chopper it actually used to run. Big old 6-foot bush hog that I drug out. But it is what it is. I mean, it's an old farm tractor. I'm not trying to hide anything. I'm available most evenings. You want to come look at it. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'll answer them. If I can't answer them, maybe my dad and grandpa, like I said, between all of us, we've owned this thing for over a decade. It's not been a bad tractor. Just got a better tractor, and we don't use it no more.